Hi everyone, I'm Ananda Kaplan, a recipe developer and nutritionist for the Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program, and this week we're going to be focusing on whole grains. And with spring right around the corner, I really wanted to share with you all my quinoa and millet spring salad. It's going to be featured this week in the newsletter under the Cooking with Ananda section. So these two beautiful, naturally gluten-free whole grains, quinoa and millet, are extremely nutrient dense. They have tons of health-supporting fiber, vitamins, and minerals that have been shown to really support blood sugar control, along with balance out our hormone levels. They're also packed full of antioxidants that are highly anti-inflammatory and also have been shown to have anti-cancer effects. So a great cooking technique you can use with whole grains to really maximize their nutritional value is to actually soak them before consuming them. So when we soak grains overnight in some warm water with a little bit of acid, it actually activates an enzyme that reduces down the binding compounds in the grains, resulting in increased nutrient absorption and also easier digestion. So please remember, when you do soak your grains, to drain them, discard the actual soaking liquid, and then rinse them with fresh water before cooking them. So this recipe is really great because it takes these wonderful grains and combines them with all these other ingredients you see here to really bring forward the vibrant, sweet flavors of spring. It really checks all those boxes of seasonality, taste, texture, and including an array of colors. It's a great way to bring in this change of season with an abundance of nutrients that will nourish your body.